it's like January 3rd, I think. And in the last 48 hours, gotten about 17 inches of snow. I'm at my job right now. And we're just trying to get things cleared up. Using this 544k to push snow. Never used a payloader to push snow or run one. Wow, is it a lot more enjoyable than just using a tractor. Snow blowers are nice because you don't end up with these big piles, but in the spots where you are piling it, this sucker works great. Makes it kind of enjoyable. Got everything pushed out in front of that barn over there. They want to send a load of hogs out today, so just kind of getting prepped for that. I made it up to this site with the 6105R and the snow blower on. Get a little snow blowing action quick. They just said on the radio too that it was 17.2 inches in 24 hours. And that was the second most snow we had received in a 24-hour period since 1956, I believe they said, when we got we got 24 inches of snow. They got 2 feet of snow in 24 hours back in 1956, I guess. I don't remember that, but this is definitely one to remember. On the way out here this morning, I was coming down the highway and the maintainer had it open, but there was a car that got, some little SUV thing that got buried. They were trying to drive down a road that hadn't been even touched yet. And as I was coming out, the wrecker was right behind me to come pull that guy out. And then he started going and opening it up more. Opened it up to where my boss had it opened with this. I'm just kind of cleaning up a little bit. Up at the nursery site. So yeah, fun times.